How to start streaming in Bigo Live. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start your stream. First of all, open the application. So as you can see, I'm in my home page. So this is the place where you can see all the streamers that are available. Now here in the middle, there's a video like icon. Simply tap on this video like icon. So this is the place where you can make videos and start your own stream. Here you can add a different beauty filters and add a different background too. So this is the setup that you can do in order to start or get live. So after doing that, simply tap on go live and the online streaming has been started. So the stream has been started and now you can communicate with other people and even have your own followers. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.